Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your PIN code access for your Subaru. As long as you have a key fob, you have PIN code access. Why would you want to do that? It's so that you can put your key fob to sleep and set up a PIN code in the back of your car and leave your key fob in your car. It's the only way you can leave it in the car. Why would you want to do that? Because you're going to go hiking, biking, walking, canoeing, anywhere that might put your key fob at risk, or you just don't want to carry it. Here's what you need to know is I've avoided talking about this for 10 years with Subaru. It's not easy to do. You might see videos, people saying, oh, look at this, it's so simple, just do this, this, and this. It's not that simple. But you just have to understand what you're doing, take time to do it. Don't wait till your day of your event to do it. Do it ahead of time so you know exactly how it works, and don't forget the code. So here goes, I'll show you. All right, so here we go. We're going to set up the PIN code access. First off, your car is turned off and all your doors are closed. You're going to press and hold the lock button on the key fob, and then there's a little rubber button underneath here. It's the lock button on the door. You hold that. And then once you hear the intermittent chirping, you press unlock on the key fob, and now you can set your PIN code. So for the number 3, I'm going to tap this 3 times. Once you hear the beep, you do the next one. Number 2, 2 times. Now you hear the chirping again. I want you to re-enter it. You hear the lock and the unlock. You're ready to go. The next thing you have to do is you have to put your key fob to sleep. You're going to push and hold the lock button on your key fob, and then hit the unlock button twice. And that will shut off the proximity for the car. At that point, you can put your key fob back in your car and go do your hiking, biking, whatever you're off to do. Okay, now we come back to the car, and we want to open it without the key fob. We're going to come underneath here, find the little button, and we're going to start plugging in our code. So it's and now the car is unlocked. Well, this car is set to only unlock the driver door. So we're going to come around this side, and it's unlocked. And by the way, this is a Wilderness, and it's available. If you have any questions about this, call me at the store, or you can stop by and see me, and I'll help you set it up. Have a great day.